Hi YouTubers, how are you today? Today guys, I'm coming to you with a subscriber request. Lots of subscribers requests for this. It's a lasagna guys, made easily. I'm going to go over the ingredients. As you can see, I got my hamburger already going guys. Come in here cameraman. And I'm grinding it up and I started. So let me tell you my ingredients really quick guys, what I have. I have Prego sauce, and if you have Italian seasoning, that's what you want. And some minced garlic, guys, to go into your hamburger meat. I have a box of lasagna, and I have cottage cheese. I'm going to show you guys how to make this. Hope everyone is well today, and these are going to be my Italian sausages that I add into this hamburger meat. All right, guys, I'm going to grind this all up, cook it up, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, my son did help me out a little bit. These are Italian sausages. I'm going to go in with those. See, they're in the casing when you buy them in your local grocery store. This is the Kroger brand Italian sausages. I'm just going in to get that awesome taste. I took it out of the casing, and I'm going to put it into here, guys, just like that. You're just going to put it into your hamburger. So we're going step by step with this so you can learn how to make an awesome lasagna. Then you want to go ahead. I have some minced garlic here. Just want to put some of that in. And that's going to give it an awesome taste. Okay? So I'm going to put all of this together. Put my noodles on, guys, and I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back. Now we got those Italian sausages in here, and this is my 80-20 hamburger. But if you're looking down in here, I'm moving it back. You don't have to drain it because that's not enough. You don't want your meat dry on your lasagna. Now, if you have the Italian seasoning, you don't have to do what I'm doing, guys. But because I don't have Italian seasoning, I'm going to go in with some garlic powder, a little thyme, and make my seasoning up for my recipe because I don't have the Italian. So I'm in with a little garlic. And then I got a little parsley here, guys. Just a little bit. And this is like making up my Italian seasoning and a little thyme. You don't want a whole bunch, but you do want that good taste on your lasagna. So we're going to put a little bit of this on there. And that's what you want. I got a bottle of, I got Prego today, guys. So I'm going to go in with that. I'm going to take my noodles off. Alright, guys, I'm back. And what I have here is some cottage cheese, guys. See, I'm sitting down because I had a bad fall. I'll explain it later. Now, what you want to do to this cottage cheese, guys, is this. You can use ricotta or you could use cottage cheese. You want to take your cottage cheese just like this. Some people don't like ricotta, so that's why they don't eat lasagna. But this ricotta could be whatever you want it to be. I'm going to take some of this, guys, and I'm going to pour it inside of this, like this. Okay, I'll put some measurements on there for you guys to get it. And what you want to do is you want to take and rub it in just like that. Come on all the way in it, so cameraman, so they can see what I'm doing here. Okay, and after you do that, guys, you want to... All right, guys, now you want 2 eggs, and you're going to go in with your 2 eggs, just like this. You're making this taste the way you want it to taste. And you're just going to rub those 2 eggs in. Go all the way in, cameraman, so they can see it. So we got our Parmesan cheese in there, guys. And this is going to be the filler for your lasagna. Okay? So what we're going to do now, we're going to build our lasagna up, guys. And you will see how easy it is, step by step, to make a lasagna. That ricotta cheese, or you could use... All right, guys. Now, you see that? That's your cottage cheese. 2 eggs, Parmesan cheese, and then what you want to do is the cheese of your choice. Mozzarella, Monterey Jack, whichever one you choose to do, guys. Go in with about a handful more, about like that, and put that in also. Put that in, and this is the base for your lasagna. Okay? We're going to go back to the stove, guys, and build our lasagna up, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. We got everything together here. Here's your cottage cheese made up with your egg and cheese. Here's your noodles, and here's your meat sauce. Now, this is what you want to do, guys. Get your tray or your dish, your metal bowl. You want to lay some of this down in there just like this. All right, guys, now after you get your meat down, you want to take your lasagna and put it just like this. Okay? That's how you want to do this. May want to overlap them. My lasagna was broke, guys, but it's not going to hurt one iota. I'm going to put it in just like that. Okay? And I want my stuff filled up, guys. So I'm going to do it just like that. And then we're going to take the cottage cheese and put some in. And this is what you want to do. You want to repeat these steps. So you want to make sure it's filled in each corner. And I'm just going to put a little more at the top. Okay. And then we want to go in with some of our meat. Just like this, guys. It's really easy. You guys will love it. Try this recipe out. Okay? Okay, so we got that in there like that. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to add some cheese. You can use the cheese of your choice. Mozzarella. Whatever you like. I'm going to put some on there. Just like this. Okay? Alright, guys. And then I'm going to go in with a little more of my cottage cheese. Okay? Just a little bit. Okay? And this is how you make it, guys. It's going to be good. Because this is going to spread. Remember, this is cheese. Okay? Now, we're going to go in with some more lasagna. Okay, guys. I'm going to get a lot of lasagna on there. Remember, my lasagna was broken up. The box had fell. But you still can fix it. So we got all of our ricotta cheese in there. Cottage cheese in there. We just want to put this, just even it out. Okay. And then we're going to add some more meat. We're going to go heavy on the meat. This is our last part of it. Just like this. Okay. This is going to be an awesome lasagna. Subscriber request, guys. More than one of you guys wanted this. Okay, guys. Okay. And I'll be right back. All right, guys. We layered it up. Now we got mozzarella cheese. This was a bar of mozzarella cheese that you're going to put on here for your cheese lovers. Okay? There's nothing to it. Easy peasy lasagna. I'm going to put this in the oven for about 45 minutes, guys. And let this all go. We use that whole bar. Okay? So you want to wrap this up with some aluminum foil. And let me show you guys something. Take your ham spray so you don't stick on your cheese and spray it so that your cheese don't stick. See what it did? I'm going to put it on there just like this. Okay? I'm going to put this in the oven for 45 minutes and let it rock and roll, guys. So I'll see you guys when this is done. Be back. All right, guys, this is my lasagna here where we use 80-20 hamburger. All you need, guys, is some pepper and Italian seasonings. I will put down below, and that's cottage cheese in here. It is too hot for me to cut, but if you're in my live tomorrow, you will see me eating it, if not today. So you guys, if you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and an awesome comment, because that's what YouTube wants us to do. You guys have a great day. Voila! Bye-bye.